Hey, what's up guys? Tony here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2016 Ford Police Interceptor with about 167,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. This is a 3.7 natural aspirated flex fuel, guys. Yes, you heard it, flex fuel vehicle on this particular vehicle. All right, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 909-457-5500, or visit our webpage at cainterceptors.com. That is cainterceptors.com. If the vehicle is listed on the website, it's because the vehicle is available. If it's gone, then it's gone, guys. Okay, so also in the description, it will also tell you if the vehicle is available or not. Okay, so make sure to click on the description. All right, guys, so 2016 Ford Police utility that is now ready to be sold. So let's go. We'll start at the top. We got a Unity single spotlight setup, halogen, okay, non-LED, brand spanking new Weston push bar, okay, brand new. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, you got some Toyo tires all the way around. Okay, good tire life remaining all the way around. Okay, we got 3 antennas on top, display only. Okay, so I'll show you this front one there and the back ones in a bit. No parking sensors on this one, guys. Okay, flex fuel, all-wheel drive. There's the 2 display antennas, one there and one there. Backup camera, and E85 flex fuel. Awesome. This vehicle, to my knowledge, was used by a supervisor or a captain, right? As you see, it still has the these items here. I forgot what they're called. The roof, whatever they're called. Anyways, clean title, guys. Okay, we don't sell salvage. Everything is clean title. All right, so now let's get to the interior. The vehicle is on now. Okay, it is a little hot, so I wanted to have the AC on while I'm in here. Okay, driver's door. $167,715 on the miles. Drives amazing. I drove this car for about a month or so. Saved a ton of money on fuel. Okay, because it's flex. Okay, super cold. Nice armrest here. Went ahead and put this on it as well. Check it out, guys. This actually has carpet. Okay, because it was a lieutenant or a captain or a detective vehicle. Okay, let's look at the back. So you have your door panels. Doors, obviously, we make sure that the door handles will open from the inside out. Your window works. Okay, really good condition on your seats. You got your rear air. There we go. let's get to the back. Let me this has the lock here. Hold it, wait for the light here. Should give you about 45 seconds to unlock the door, or else it's gonna lock again. All right, here's your back. And this is the connector, the module power source for the upfit for the light system that the vehicle had. Okay, some of the wires here are actually hot. Okay, so we went ahead and disabled it. Okay, on that side by pushing the switch, so it kills it. So if you want to get power from there, you can, for any accessory you might want to put on it. All right, so that's your back. All right, here's your rear passenger door. You know, right now the sun is facing a certain way, so you know we have no shade, so that's what you see, these sun marks through the windows. But the condition of the seats are very good. Okay. All right, so front door, front passenger. Check it out, check it out. It's got some residue here, and that's like a adhesive residue. We tried to hit it with like an acetone or in a cleaner, but it's hard to come off, because the moment you start putting those type of solvents or chemicals, you start to also affect the actual panel. Okay, and then you could discolor, you could ruin it, because it will the discoloration of the actual panel won't match, so you could burn it. So we'd rather just leave it like that. Okay, usually here we had no smoking stickers here. All right, so let's show you the engine. 3.7, and we'll be almost done with it. It's nice and hot today. About 97 degrees here in beautiful, high cost California, Riverside, where it is brutally hot sometimes. All right, 1 second. Let me just pause this video. All right, engine. Remember guys, on none of my cars are we ever going to spray the engine compartment down, degrease it, none of that stuff. We make sure the vehicles run good. 300-mile road test on our cars. These cars look normal. Okay, for me, if you are, you want to wash it, or you want to buy a vehicle that this whole compartment looks good, by all means. But we're gonna give you the car like this, running good. And obviously, if you decide to wash it and you ruin something, that's technically on you, right? So, the reason we do this is because we like to see if there's anything leaking, we will address it right away. Anything drastic, we'll address it and go from there. All right. So, I'm gonna be quiet now. I think you guys should get to hear this 3.7 roar. Okay. Well, not even roar, but just kind of purr. All right. 1 second. Sweet. All right, let me close this down. All right, so there you have it, guys. 2016 3.7 flex fuel police Interceptor utility that is now ready to be sold. Okay, questions, guys, call me 909-457-5500. Okay, we'd be more than happy to help you get into this vehicle or any other Interceptor that we may have in stock, or if you have any questions regarding what is coming, also give us a call, and we'll gladly let you know what's in transit what's ETA on the stuff that's gonna be finishing, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed rest of day. Consider hitting the like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Peace.